So one of the things that you can easily go ahead and do in ILovePDF is you can go ahead and protect out your PDF file. So to do that over here, what you can do is go to ILovePDF.com, and then what you can do is you can go to all PDF tools, and here you can see that there's PDF protect option, and then protect PDF right here as well. If I were to go ahead and click on select PDF file right here, I can go ahead and select out any PDF file that I want to protect. Let's say, for example, I want to protect out the proposal file right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on open. You can add in more files right here as well. But over here, you can go ahead and add in a password as you want right here. So I can go ahead and add in a password. For example, I'm going to say tutortube1 right here. So let's just go ahead and add in this as password, which is fairly simple right here. So I'm going to add in capitals right here, and let's say, for example, and a symbol over here as well, so that the password is strong. You can see the password strength right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here and type this in right here, then you can see that the password is matching now. So now I can go ahead and turn the visibility off and click on protect PDF right here. So once you do that, what happens is that the protected PDF has been made, so you can save it on the cloud drive or share out the link, or go ahead and download this out right here. And as you open up, you can see it says password required. So let me just press random password right here and click on submit. It says incorrect password, meaning I don't have access to the document now. But if I were to go ahead and type in tutortube1 right here and click on submit, then only I have access to the document, as you can see right here. And that is basically how you can go ahead and protect out the PDF file inside of ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.